Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note Edge, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the option the system, so scroll all the way down. Now let's tap on languages and input and tap on languages at the very top. Here we have to tap on other languages, so this plus icon simply, and as you can see we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So all you have to do is to tap on your language, and here your device will ask you whether you want to replace the current language with a new one. So just tap on apply, so the option on the right. And as you can see now at the top we've got our newly added language, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen one. If you've got more than one languages added here, all you have to do is to, and you'd like to reorder them, simply tap on it and hold it and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, your device will immediately apply the other language. If you'd like to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove. Now let's mark the language and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.